government have published more health and social care contracts for business owners and agency owners to apply to right now. Here's two available for you to bid for. One of these opportunities is in Buckinghamshire Council, where the council are looking for providers who can provide accommodation-based support for adults who are at risk or potentially already homeless. These adults are typically between the age of 18 to 70. Again, they've had certain life situations that either meant they're about to be homeless or potentially already homeless, and they need providers who can provide support and accommodation for these individuals. The support needed here specifically will be around enabling them to live independently and hopefully with a goal to get a sustainable, permanent, long-term accommodation. So support such as maximizing their income, maximizing their benefits, money management skills, budgeting, all these areas to enable them to be living independently and live an independent lifestyle. In terms of the requirements and the eligibility criteria to make sure you can bid for it first, although you don't need a CQC registration, you still need to have relevant experience delivering similar services. Again, because this is a medium based support and high level based support, so medium being at least 4 hours support per week and high level up to 8 hours per week, you should be able to reference other contracts where you've delivered similar services for a similar amount of time as well. Secondly, there is a financial requirement here. So the contract value per annum is approximately £161,000 per year. Your business needs to be making at least double that on an annual basis to be eligible to qualify for this bid. The next one is in Essex County Council, which is the Housing Related Floating Support Service. Again, these are supports for individuals who already have an accommodation. So either they own their own accommodation, they're potentially already in a private rented accommodation, in social housing, in council housing, but they've already got the accommodation. However, they're potentially at risk of losing this accommodation or going through a period of crisis. And so the council are looking for suppliers who can come in and provide an intervention-based support service to enable and help these individuals. Within this contract, it's a single contract, so only one provider will be selected to work with the council on this. But to qualify for this tender, make sure that first of all, again, you provided similar services in the past. As well as that, you need to ensure that your insurances are all up to scratch. So that's your professional indemnity, public liability, employer's liability, and medical malpractice insurance as well.